Hi, my name is Adam. Welcome to this new lesson. Lesson prepared by Mr. Abdurrahim Late for English Mogador YouTube channel. Today's lesson is about ed and ing adjectives. Dear students, you need to know that a lot of adjectives are made from verbs by adding ed or ing. Let's consider an example. The adjectives bored and boring. The two adjectives were created by adding ed and ing to the verb bore. It sounds simple and easy. Is that right? The problem is most students don't know how to use them correctly. Now, I invite you to watch the following video. So, is the girl surprising or is she surprised? Is the gift surprising or is it surprised? The answer. In fact, the girl is surprised. The gift, however, is surprising. Why? Let me explain. Normally, ed adjectives are used to express how people feel. On the other hand, ing adjectives are used to describe the thing that causes the feeling. Now, let's consider more examples. The accident is shocking. We used ing adjective here to describe the thing that caused the shock feeling, which is the accidents. However, Emily was shocked when she read the news about the accidents. Here we used ed adjective to describe Emily's feeling. One more example to consider. Liza felt disgusted when she saw that disgusting dish. Here again, the adjective, disgusted, describes how Liza feels. The adjective, disgusting, describes the cause of that feeling. Dear students, the lesson stops here. You can watch the video again for deeper understanding. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Goodbye.